What's up everybody, it's your boy SFMZA, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install labs to your PC so you can start making fire beats today. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go to www.projectfeelz.com. That's Feelz with a Z at the end, and then it's going to open up this beautiful page for you. Once you're here, you want to click where it says free instrument plugins, and then once it opens, you want to click here where it says Spitfire Audio Labs. Once you're here, you can see the description, you can see your rating, so you can leave a rating there, don't be mean. You can also recommend it by hitting like, but if you simply want to download it, you simply click on the download link and then it will take you directly to the developer's website. Once you've clicked download and it's opened up the page, you're going to see here it says Labs is now part of Splice Instrument. You want to click here where it says download free, and then you want to click here where it says download free again. Welcome to Splice Instrument. There's download free there. If you want to be specific about your operating system, you can select Microsoft or Mac OS. I see it already automatically started downloading for me, so I'm just going to wait for that. Once it's done downloading like that, you want to click on instrument installer, and then you want to click next, click accept, otherwise it won't let you install. Click next, select whether you want AAX, VST3 or standalone, click next again, check that it installs to the correct folders. For me that's fine, so I'm just going to click next and then click next again, and finally we click install. Once it's done installing, it asks you to launch Splice Instrument. You just want to click finish. Once it's done installing, this is what Splice Instrument looks like, and it's asking you to select a sound or an instrument. Let's select a simple piano granular and we load it up. It's going to ask you if you're okay with Splice collecting anonymous data. If you are okay with that, click allow. If not, just hit deny. And this is what the interface looks like once you've loaded up Splice Instrument. Your instrument libraries will be listed here on the side here. You've got your piano there as well as your effects right on top of the piano. You can mouse click in or play on MIDI, and you can download more libraries and packs by coming to disk. Here you'll find both paid and free libraries that you can choose from. So yeah, just knock yourself out testing all of these. I am going to be testing all of these sounds in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Hit subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment if you enjoyed this video. Peace.